Hi everyone, I firstly heartily welcome you all to CLE Society's Degree College Chikkodi. Right, as you already completed your pre-university course and now you entered into the graduation course, and I thank you all to selected our college for degree section. Right now, before we go for subject introduction, first of all I introduce myself. My introduction: myself Sri Subhash B. Patil. I am handling in this college section BCom. Right, I handling in this college BCom section, and my subject is financial accounting first. Right, so myself Sri Subhash Patil, and I am handling in this college BCom section, and in the BCom section for first semester I am handling financial accounting first. Right, so now you understood what is my subject. Right, so I am the teacher for the your financial accountancy first. So now, before we start the syllabus for the financial accounting first, let we know what are the syllabus content in this chapter. Right, so in this class we know the syllabus what you are going to be learning in financial accountancy first. Right, so let's move for syllabus for the subject. So syllabus for financial accounting first, it is for BCom first semester. Right, so in this subject we are going to be learning 5 units. Right, so let we know one by one unit and what it contains. Right, so first unit, first conversion of single entry system into double entry system. It is the first unit you are going to be learning in the financial accounting first. Right, and in this unit you are going to be learning need for conversion, steps involved in the conversion, and problems relating to conversion of single entry into double entry. These some concept you are going to be learning in first unit. Right, now we move for second unit. Unit second, accounts of professionals. Accounts of professional. In that you are going to be learning chartered accountants, lawyers, and doctors only. These 3 professionals account you are going to be learning: chartered accountants, lawyers, and doctors only. In that what you are going to be learning: fees account, petty cash book, client's ledger, receipt and payment account, income and expenditure account, and a balance sheet of a professionals. How you are going to be preparing all these concepts you are going to be learning in unit second. Right, now we move for third unit. Unit third, it is farm accounting. Right, unit third is farm accounting, and in that you are going to be learning meaning of farm accounting, that is meaning, objectives of farm accounting, books of accounts to be maintained under single entry and double entry for farm accounting. Next, preparation of farm revenue account to ascertain the profit and losses of various sections like crop, livestock, dairy and poultry. And again you are learning here preparation of balance sheet for agriculture, dairy farming, and poultry farming. These you are learning in unit 4. Right, now we are moving for next unit, that is unit number 4. So unit number 4 is royalty account. Right, that is royalty account or royalty accounting. In that you are going to be learning meaning and importance of royalty accounts, and minimum rent, meaning of minimum rent, short workings, recoupment of short workings, strike period, entries and accounts in the books of lessee and lessor, excluding sublease, right? Excluding sublease means about sublease you are not going to be learning in the royalty, right? And lastly we are go for unit 5th, that is fire insurance accounting, right? So this is one slight change compared to the previous syllabus. In the previous syllabus there are already 4th chapter are going to be included, right? And 5th chapter is going to be changed, right? Because now you are learning the syllabus of CBSC, right? That is CBCS. CBCS means it is choice based credit system, right? In that we are learning financial accounting. There are 4 units already covered in the previous syllabus also, but in this syllabus one change is made, that is fire insurance accounting. It is not covered in the previous year syllabus. It is the new concept you are going to be learning in financial accounting first subject. So under this what you are learning: introduction, need, loss of stock policy, steps for ascertaining fire insurance claim, treatment of salvage, average clause, treatment of abnormal items, competition of fire insurance claims. So these are the 5 units you are going to be learning under financial accounting first for BCom first semester, right? And what are the content in that already you seen here, right? So now in the next class we move for syllabus, right? So we are going to be learn by one all the units. So in the next class we are going to be learn first unit, that is conversion of single entry system into double entry system. So till then, thank you everyone.